It is less than 30 years since a degree program in computer science or engineering has begun to be offered in regular colleges in India. Before that, computer science used to be offered only in premier institutions like Indian Institute of Technology and IISc. Although at this point of time, computer science as a degree or as an engineering subject is offered in virtually every engineering college and arts and science college in India, we still have nearly 48% of the IT professionals who are coming from non-computer science background. About 30% of them come from circuit branches like electronics and electrical engineering, and a lot of others come from mechanical and civil backgrounds. It may be interesting to note that the early pioneers in computer science mostly came from mathematics and electrical backgrounds, as even electronics engineering was a comparatively new stream of engineering, which was not even prevalent at that point of time. As the computer science offered the new job prospects, it was the maths and electrical and mechanical engineering graduates who actually learned programming and moved to the industry and led the Indian IT industry revolution. The practice of hiring non-computer science graduates continues to this day through campus and off-campus drives. Although there are a few companies who restrict their hiring for non-computer science students to circuit branches, most companies are open to hiring graduates in any discipline, including mechanical and civil engineering, provided they are able to prove their interest and aptitude and passion for programming. If you're a non-computer science graduate and if you want to demonstrate your interest and passion and aptitude for programming, one way for you to do that if you're a non-computer science graduate would be to sign up for a programming or a full stack development program and start building a small application like an online shopping cart and host it on GitHub so that you can demonstrate your aptitude and interest in programming and show your code to a prospective employer. There are well-established professional full-stack developer programs like Propel FSD Pro at Faith Infotech Academy, which can help you to transform yourself into a full-stack developer in Java or .NET or Python or even data science engineering. If you want more information about this kind of programs, I suggest that you visit our website faithinfotechacademy.com or visit our campus at Technopark.